Welcome to Healthy Homes. In this video we will take you through the step-by-step process of waterproofing the kitchens. Today we will do waterproofing on the kitchen using a 2-component cementitious coating. The first step is to chip out any loose particles from the surface using hand tools. This ensures that the surface is clean and free from any loose debris that may compromise the adhesion of the coating. Once the surface is cleaned, the next step is to lay a 45mm fiber mesh over the surface. The fiber mesh provides an additional layer of reinforcement and prevents the coating from cracking or peeling off over time. The next step is to sprinkle water over the surface to achieve a saturated surface dryest condition. This step is crucial as it allows the substrate to absorb the coating more effectively, leading to better adhesion and a stronger bond. After achieving inst condition, with the fiber mesh in place, the next step is to mix the 2 components of the cementitious coating thoroughly to achieve a uniform consistency before application. Apply the first coat of the 2-component chemical coating such as Dr.Fixit Pidifin took. After applying the first coat, it is left to dry for 24 hours before the second coat is applied. The second coat provides an additional layer of protection, further strengthening the waterproofing layer and ensuring long-term protection against water intrusion. Now let's take a look at the amazing transformation of this kitchen after applying the 2-component cementitious coating. We will show you the before and after work so that you can see the difference this waterproofing solution can make in protecting your kitchen from water damage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.